Grace and Naeem Uddin Inc. is a certified woman-owned small business.
We founded this company in 1990.
And that's been over 30 years ago. So we have pretty seasoned engineers and construction managers.
We do 100% governmental projects, from federal to state level to local cities, counties, municipalities. We have been fortunate to have the business of multiple state departments.
We have a bonding capacity of $100 million. However, no project is too small. We've done projects in the past of $50,000.
We have no minimum. We take on any project
because we want to build long-term relationships with our clients and give them a one-stop solution.
We are experienced in all delivery methods,
such as construction management at risk, IDIQ, CM agents, design build, just to name a few.
We manage all kind of projects from transportation to airports or seaports, as well as buildings. And provide services from the concept stage of any project to the final stage, which could be pre-construction, design phase, and post-construction phase.
As owners of the company, we can give you solutions right away.
We take pride in providing a personalized service. We are involved on every step of the project.
Because we have a solid core of seasoned construction managers, we can deliver.
With years of experience doing the same types of projects, you become familiar with all the ups and downs and how to easily solve any problem.
We can get on a job right away. We know what we have to do from the start.
We're centrally located in all 3 counties. This allows us to have a quick response time to any of the projects here in South Florida.
Our company goal is to develop long-term relationships with our clients.
We have clients that go back over 20 years. We build relationships.
Because it's really important to us that our clients trust us and that they know that we're going to get their job done.
They can rely on us at any time. We are here to support them. We are here to service them. We are here to earn their relationships and their business. It is very important, and I would say it is very personal for me and Grace to give back to the community.
We know that diversity works and you can be successful, so we want to give back to the community.
We provide scholarships to the local students to go into a 4-year all-paid tuition in construction management area.
We want to give everyone that opportunity that was given to us.
One of the most rewarding things about the work that I do is getting to know our clients, building relationships with them, building their trust.
Dealing with the individuals at each individual project more on a personal level. You become sort of emotionally attached to the people you're actually working for, and it makes for a better project. It allows you to come in on budget, on time, with everybody happy.
It is very rewarding. We are improving their own community for future generations.
We are building history here. We are not just building projects. These projects are going to be a part of the history moving forward. Long after we are gone, these projects are going to stand tall.
We build your tomorrow today.